Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I wanted to share a few pre-loved Tiffany items that I have collected over the last few months. It is a hobby of mine to look at the pre-loved marketplaces online and try to score a deal. So I did find a few items and I'm really excited to share them with you today. So first up is a pair of Tiffany sunglasses. And now these I actually found on The RealReal. I've purchased from The RealReal a few times and I've had really great experiences so far. Sometimes their prices can be a little high compared to other pre-loved sites like eBay or Poshmark, but they do authenticate all of their items, which I think, justifies the higher price point. All right, and so here are the sunglasses that I picked up. So these are pre-loved. You can see the lenses have a few tiny little scratches, but nothing that impedes your sight, which is the most important thing. They have kind of a cat eye look with that tortoise shell upper. And then on the arm there, it has the little Tiffany & Company 1837 embossing. And they're just so adorable. I love how they're not super dark. Like you can still see your eyes through these when you're wearing them, so people can still kind of understand your facial expression, which I think is really nice, but they do a great job of blocking out those UV rays, and they're just super cute. So I think these were a great find. They also came with their original Tiffany blue case, as well as the little dust cloth, cleaning cloth. So I was so happy to find these on The RealReal, and they were on for a really great price. I have to double check exactly what I paid, but I believe it was between $70 and $80 for these. If you're familiar with The RealReal, they often have a code that you enter at checkout. It's not applicable to all items, but I believe these were included. So they were 20% off of the listing price, which is a great score, and I love them. I've already worn them out. And they're perfect. So that is the first item. All right, and so the next item is a piece that I have loved for a really long time. Let me pull it out and show you. Oh, I love this bracelet. So this is the Amazonite beaded bracelet with the Return to Tiffany heart charm. And it is so stunning. So when they came out, these bracelets, I was working at the store and I remember just absolutely loving this bracelet. I would try it on at work all the time. And years ago, I did have the mini bead bracelet version of this. So this bracelet has approximately an 8mm size bead, but they make a mini version that has a 4mm bead size, and it's really cute. Unfortunately, I was very young when I purchased that bracelet, and I wore it constantly. I wore it in the shower, I went swimming with it, and you guys, if you have this bracelet or anything that is a bead bracelet that's not sterling silver, you need to be really careful with wearing these pieces in water. So it's actually threaded onto a silk cord. So that silk cord is not the strongest of materials. You really do want to be careful. Please take these off when you shower. Learn from my mistake. My bracelet snapped after wearing it for months on end in the shower, in the sun, to the beach, etc. So I learned my lesson that time. But when I saw this was actually, I found this on a Facebook group. So I'm part of a Tiffany & Company Facebook group where people sell some of their pre-loved items or just discuss Tiffany jewelry in general, which I think it's really fun to kind of look through and see what people have or are looking for and just see what people are talking about. So when I saw this one come up for under retail price, I grabbed it because I have been contemplating purchasing this directly from the Tiffany site. It's been in my little bag on the website for quite a while, but I just never pulled the trigger. So when I saw this one for a reasonable price, I decided to grab it and treat myself. And it is just so stunning. It is in great condition. Just play the charm here. So it has just that classic small size Return to Tiffany heart charm. And it is plain on the back. just has the little Tiffany stamping up at the top. And this bracelet has a lobster clasp closure, and as I mentioned, it is threaded on a silk cord, and it is just absolutely stunning. I think it looks so, so beautiful in the summer, stacked with my other bracelets. If you're in a white dress or even a black outfit, and to have it just pop with this Tiffany blue color is absolutely stunning. So this Amazonite bead, this is a natural stone. This is its natural color. It's not dyed or enhanced. And it is a little bluer than the classic Tiffany blue. So if I just kind of pan up here, you can see the Tiffany blue comes in varying shades depending on the item. It's not always the exact same color, but it usually has a little more hint of green in it than the Amazonite bead, but it's so, so close. And I just think it's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, so that is the second item I picked up, pre-loved. And the next item I have to show you is this heart charm here. So I actually purchased this charm. The bracelet is one I've already owned, and I did own this little clasp here, but I purchased this charm itself with a sterling silver chain on Poshmark actually. So I like to look through you know, the new listings on Poshmark when I have time, because sometimes you can find really, really great deals. You know, people are just trying to get rid of things they don't use or wear anymore, and often they're willing to let them go for really great prices. So if you're familiar with this heart lock charm, it is blue enamel. It does have little Tiffany stamping on the edge, but it's that blue enamel on both sides. And these are listed online for upwards of $300, $350 if you look on eBay or even on Etsy, sites like that. And I was able to purchase this heart charm with a sterling silver chain for around $150, which to me is such a great deal. And this is the larger size of this heart lock charm. It did come in a mini version, which is really adorable. But I really love this size because I think it looks beautiful worn as a necklace or on a charm bracelet, just like this. And it is comparable in size to the classic sterling silver heart tag charm. So I think just proportionally with the classic chain link bracelet, it's just so beautiful. And as you know, I love the Tiffany blue. For summer, it's so, so beautiful. And I know I was talking about the Tiffany blue color and how it does kind of vary. So just for comparison's sake, I'm just gonna show you right up against each other. Here's that Amazonite beaded bracelet up against the blue enamel lock charm. And so that blue enamel has just a little bit more of a green hint to it, which I think is truer to the classic Tiffany blue color, but still absolutely beautiful. So, so gorgeous. So yeah, so I really love treasure hunting. I love finding pre-loved items that are in great condition, especially items like, for example, this heart lock charm has been discontinued for quite a number of years and they're hard to find. So I get really excited when I get a good deal on something, and it's something that I will put to good use. All right, guys, so those are the items that I have picked up on the pre-loved market recently. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or want to know more about any of these items I shared with you today, please leave your questions down in the comments. I am more than happy to answer those for you. And yeah, thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day.